Do you need an emergency roof repair expert to fix your leaking or damaged roof? As leaders in the roofing industry, My Roof Repair Pros are proud to provide top-quality roof repair and new roof installation in Sugar Land, Texas. Our team of trained, certified, and licensed roofers know how to handle everything. From emergency roof leak repairs to brand new roof installations. Whether your roof has been damaged by a recent hailstorm, or you simply want to protect your home from future damage, our team is ready to get to work for you. We offer exceptional quality control, honest and fair pricing, and friendly customer service every step of the way. As a locally owned and operated Sugar Land Roofing Company, we truly care about the customers we serve throughout our community. Let us put our roof repair and replacement expertise to work for you today. Call us right now at 281-672-8440 for a free estimate.